Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make very beautiful butterflies. To begin, gather your crafting essentials. You will need 2 sheets of colorful paper, a pair of sharp scissors, and a reliable glue stick. Selecting paper with bright hues and interesting patterns will significantly enhance your butterfly's visual appeal. Ensure your workspace is clear and flat, providing ample room for precise cutting and assembly. This preparation is key for a successful and enjoyable crafting session. Now, let's shape the wings. Take 1 sheet of your chosen paper and fold it accordion style, making each pleat approximately 1 inch wide. Repeat this process with the second sheet. Once both are folded, secure the exact center of each folded paper with a small piece of thin wire or a pipe cleaner, twisting it tightly. Carefully fan out the pleats on both sides of the wire, creating the beautiful, symmetrical wing structures for your butterfly. This step requires a steady hand. Next, we will assemble the butterfly's body. Take your 2 fanned-out wing sections and carefully join them together at their secured centers. You can use a strong craft glue or twist the wires together for a more robust connection. Now, create a small, cylindrical body for your butterfly using a contrasting color of paper or a pipe cleaner. This body should be about 3 inches long. Attach this body securely between the 2 sets of wings, ensuring it is perfectly centered for balance. Finally, let's add those beautiful finishing touches. Embellish your butterfly's wings with a touch of glitter, tiny sequins, or delicate painted designs to give it a unique sparkle. For the antennae, use 2 small pieces of thin wire or pipe cleaners, each about 2 inches long, and curl the ends slightly to mimic real butterfly antennae. Securely attach these to the top of the butterfly's body. If you wish to display your creation, attach a small loop of string to the body for easy hanging. Your stunning butterfly is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.